Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you a really nice 20 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, low miles, 77,000 miles on a 20. So nice, good miles on it. Come out of Phoenix, Arizona. There you can see it's got the chrome wheels on it. A couple smaller little scratches. I try to show everything a little different than most people. Interior, very nice shape. Got that great color combination, roof, of course power sliding doors, rear hatch. 77,407 is the mileage. It does have the adaptive cruise control also. There's your, so it's got the heated and the ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, surround camera. So there's your camera all the way around. Different views of it. So lots of options on this. Navigation, of course, lane departure. So very nice shape. Like I said, come out of Phoenix, Arizona. So super clean as far as any rust issues. Got your quad buckets, they fold into the seats. Scrape, one little scratch right there. Bumpers in pretty good shape, few little nicks, but everybody sets stuff down on them plastic bumpers and then they get scraped up. Does have tow package, power folding rear seats, no power stow and go. This side looks good. No major issues or anything. Nice clean van, and the best part is we stand behind them. 12-month, 12,000 mile comprehensive warranty on them. It's been through our shop, lined up, serviced, ready to go, and then we put a 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty that covers drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, and electrical. Great coverage. 605-692-7010.